How do you know whether you are a diabetic or not? What are the symptoms to find out if you need to go and get yourself checked? I want to share 9 symptoms that I got alerted to for type 2 diabetes and rushed to a doctor to get it checked. Here are those.
The first symptom is frequent urination. If you find yourself needing to visit the restroom more often, especially at night, it could be a sign of diabetes. Next up is excessive thirst, constantly feeling parched, regardless of how much you drink, might be an indication that your body is trying to cope with high blood sugar levels. Despite an increased appetite, some individuals with diabetes experience will see unexplained weight loss. If you are shedding pounds and kilos without a clear reason, it's worth paying attention to. Feeling extremely tired and fatigued and lethargic is another common symptom. If you experience fatigue, it could be linked to the body's ability or inability to effectively use glucose for energy. Diabetes can affect your eyesight. Blurry vision or difficulty focusing might be an early sign that you need to get your blood sugar levels checked. Have you noticed that cuts and bruises are taking longer to heal? This could be due to impaired blood circulation and a slow healing process, a potential red flag for diabetes. Tingling or numbness, especially in the hands or feet, is another symptom. It's important not to ignore these sensations, as they could be linked to nerve damage caused by diabetes. Diabetes can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections. Keep an eye out for recurring urinary tract or skin infections. Lastly, increased hunger, especially after eating, might be a sign of your body's struggle to regulate blood sugar levels properly. In conclusion, if you are someone or you know someone who is experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and management. Early intervention can make a significant difference in managing diabetes effectively. So go meet a doctor.
Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found it useful. Do subscribe and press the notification button. Press the like if you liked what you heard today. Also forward this link to those who are possible diabetic and would like to test themselves against the 9 symptoms. Till the next time, stay healthy and unstoppable.